So, Justin Taylor is the head of consumer product marketing at Twitter, and he just shared a video sneak peek of what they are working on: NFT profile verification.
Hello, so as promised, I wanted to show you some experiment we did about NFT. So basically you would be able to edit your profile, click on your avatar and select NFT. From this you would be able to connect to your wallets and choose your preferred wallet. So for the purpose of the experiment, I'm just mocking the backend. So after confirming, you will be able to download all your NFT from OpenSea, select one, and then you will have your NFT as your avatar with the Ethereum check mark, showing that this NFT has been minted on Ethereum blockchain. If you click on collectible as well, you can see the collection of NFT you have.
The video was made by a software engineer with the title "Working on Bringing Crypto NFT in Twitter." So this is very likely going to happen and roll out sometime in the future. We have already seen celebrities come on board and support their preferred PFP profile picture project and use the avatar as a flex, like Steph Curry, Snoop Dogg, Jay-Z, and many more. So to show some numbers of NFT users, here's a tweet. Look, NFT users around 300,000, that number is from OpenSea. DeFi, decentralized finance users, around 10 million in total wallets. Internet users, 4.5 bajillion. So for me, the profile picture NFT craze is far from over, and we will see many more people and projects align themselves with this. Just like many people use brands to signal wealth or style or relevance to show they align with a certain kind of thinking, like Prada or Louis Vuitton, Supreme, Nike, people will do this more and more with their digital profiles. Especially when you can have the equivalent of a verification tick to confirm you actually own a profile picture. So I'll be looking at this a lot more in the future.